Good morning, students. In the last class, I teach you about abacus. So today, I will teach you another topic, that is before, after and between. Okay, so this topic we already discussed, right? So suppose any 3-digit number is given, suppose 141. Okay, now what will be before 141? How can we find? Okay, so I told you we can find it by a simple trick, right? So what we will do, in order to find the number before any number, okay, before number we can find it by doing simple subtraction. Okay, so what we will do, we'll subtract -1 with that number. Okay, so while doing -1, 1 minus 1, it will become 0, this will become 4 and this will become what? 1. Okay, so the number before 141, it will be what? 140. Okay, let me give you another example. Suppose one more number is there, 153. Okay, so you have to tell me the number which will place before 153. Okay, so in order to find out the number before 183 that will be placed, what we will do? We'll do subtraction. We'll do -1 with 153. And what we will get? 3 minus 1, it will become 2. This 5 will comes down. This 1 will again. And the number is what? 152. Okay, this is how we can find a number. Okay, a before number we can find it. Okay, now the next one is what? How we can find a number after a number. Okay, so let me give you another example. Suppose 193. And you have to tell me what will stand after 193. Okay, so in order to find out after number, what we basically do, we'll do +1 with that number. So we'll do +1. It will become what? 4 and this will become 9, 1. So your number will be what? That will place after 193, it will be 194. Okay, or another way we can do, suppose in order to find out before number and in order to find out after number, in another way also we can find it. Suppose 141 is there. Okay, 142 is there. Okay, now what will place or what will stand before 142? Okay, so here we'll change this number. Okay, so what it will become? It will become, just go one step back. Okay, in order to find out the before number, we'll move one step back. So if we move one step back, it will become what? 141. Okay, and in order to find out after number, we'll move one step forward. Okay, forward we will move. So the number will be what? 143. Like this also you can find any number. Okay, before number or after number. You can do -1 also, +1 also, any method you can apply. Okay. Okay students, now see exercise 6. So first question is what? write the numbers that comes after. Okay, so you have to write the number which will come after the number that is given. Okay, so in order to find out after number, what we basically do, we'll add 1 with that particular number. Okay, that means plus 1 we will do. So here first one is what? 101. So 101 plus 1, it will become what? 1 plus 1, it will become 2. This 0 and this 1 will comes down, right? So your answer will be what? 102. Okay, like this only. B number answer will be what? 122. Okay, 122. So the after number will be what? Just move one step back. Okay, forward you have to move, forward you have to move. So, or you can add 1 also. So it will become 123. Okay, now see C part. So here 111 it is given. So you just add 1 with 111, it will become 112. Okay, like this only you have to do D, E and F in your maths classwork copy. Okay, you have to simply add 1. You have to simply plus 1 with this number that is given. Okay. Okay, now see question number 2. Write the number that comes before. So in order to find out a number before any number, right? Suppose one number is given and you have to find out which number stands before that particular number. So what we basically do? We do subtraction, right? We'll do minus 1 with that particular number. So see, question number A or A point that is given. So 160 is there. So we'll do minus 1, right? So we can't subtract 0 with 1, right? We have to do carry. This will become 5. This will become 10. 10 minus 1, it will become what? 9. Now this 5 will comes here and 1 here. Okay, so your number will be what? That stands before 160. It will be 159. Okay, I hope you have understood. Okay, next one, B number. So the question is what? The number is what? 189. So again, what we will do? We'll do subtraction, minus 1. So 9 minus 1, it will become what? It will be 8. And this 8, it will comes down. Okay, so your number will be what? 188. Okay. Okay, one more I will do. Now see F number. Okay, here in F number 200 is given. So again we'll do subtraction, minus 1 with 200. So 0, it can't subtract with 1. So it will take carry. So it will become what? 1. This will become 9 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. This will 9 comes down and here also. So your number will be what? 199. So your number will be 199. Okay, so I will write the number here, 199. Okay, so now you will do C, D and E in your classwork copy. Okay, I hope you have understood what you have to do here and here. Okay, here you have to do +1 and here you have to do -1. Okay. Okay, now we'll see question number 3. Here you have to find a number that comes between any two number. Okay, so in order to find the between number, what I said, you can simply draw a number line, right? And then you can find the numbers, right? So let's do the first one. So here, okay, let me draw one number line. So here it starts 139, right? Here 139 is there, no? So that's why I write here 139. Okay, then the next number will be what? 140. After 39, 40 will come, right? Then 141, and we will stop here because this number we get it. Okay, now what is placed between 139 and 141? 140, right? So our answer will be what? 140. Okay, like this only. Let's do E part. So again 100. After 100, what will come? 101, 102. Okay, we'll stop at 102. Okay, we'll start from this and we'll stop at this one. So what comes in between 100 and 102? 101, right? Okay. Okay, next question, let's see the C part. So here again we'll draw the number line. Okay, it's easy for you in order to find out the number. So 188, the next number will be 189. You can do this trick, +1, just do +1 with each number, you will get the next one. And we'll stop at 190. We reach this one because 190 is given here. So what is placed in between 188 and 190? 189, right? So we'll write here 189. Okay, okay, now B, D and F is your classwork. You will do this question by your own. Okay, and you have to do this one in your maths classwork copy. Okay, so that's all for today. In the next class we will again discuss about the place value. Okay, till then you just revise whatever I discussed in this class. Okay.